All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, and well, this is what it looks like without the lights on. We're gonna do a studio tour. So I figured I would do a kind of how my studio is set up and show some of you guys how I do videos here and just a quick little tour of the studio. So I'm doing this with a camcorder handheld. So let's get into it. All right, first up, you can see back there I've got white balances. Horrible right here. I've got my Neewer LED panels lighting the back wall. All right, I've got a ring light right there. I've got a Neewer panel light right there. And well, my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K. Now I'm actually recording my audio wirelessly into the Blackmagic. The Blackmagic is recording, so that's where I'm getting my audio from, rather than trying to go into the camcorder. My wife has my A6600 at the office, so trying to keep the white balance. It's a camcorder, so there's only so much adjustment. So let's do a quick tour of the actual office. Now when I'm filming, that's how I'm situated. Chair right there next to the two computers. I actually don't use that Neewer light anymore. It just reflects too much on those monitors. So with the two lights I've got, it works well. The one right behind the camera is my key light. That's kind of an accent light. And of course the blue light's behind me. Now of course this is my main editing PC. And you know, 3950X, 2080 Super, plenty of horsepower for. Got a boom arm with a Yeti over there for when I record voiceovers. Of course, got my Grogu coffee cup, my Shogun Ninja monitor for the Blackmagic, which if you look at it, you can see my camcorder's on the Blackmagic. I'm recording with the Blackmagic, so I've got good audio. Over here, I've got my gaming PC, my capture PC. My wife's computer is over there. Got a couple quick cheap monitors. You know, she does mostly web stuff, so nothing real intensive on that. Now the desks are IKEA countertops. You know, the typical YouTuber Alex drawers, Kirby tops. I've got a 7-foot one there and a 6-foot one there. Server lives right there. Hope you enjoyed the studio tour. As always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.